we are. Phil is giving me a ride.
I'm not watching.
We're exiting Pullman, the back gate.
It's a beautiful day. What do you need to buy?
Well, I just need to go to Fujichen and buy some random stuff. So we can just go one place. Alright, we're gonna go on the sidewalk soon. Here we go.
I realize honking at them is not going to do a whole lot because everyone here honks. So why am I honking at foreigners? They won't look.
We're on our way.
This is King Idol. This is where Danny likes to spend his evenings up here on the left.
Hey guys, Joel. It's right here. Let's get out of the. Let me show you. This is the main intersection. Down here is King Idol. Woo!
I'll try and get good footage.
Phil's a safe driver. I have complete confidence. Just kidding.
I timed that perfectly, so I didn't get a ticket. We're going to drive on the sidewalk again.
Alright. It's safe. It's legal to drive on the sidewalk here.
Oh, look.
A fellow biker.